Kyoto, officially Kyoto City, is the capital city of Kyoto Prefecture in Japan. Located in the Kansai region on the island of Honshu, Kyoto forms a part of the Keihanshin metropolitan area along with Osaka and Kobe. As of 2021, the city had a population of 1.45 million, making up 57% of the prefecture's total population. In 794, Kyoto is on the east. The streets in the modern-day wards of Nakagyo, Shimogyo, and Kamigyoku still follow a grid pattern. The emperors of Japan ruled from Kyoto in the following 11 centuries until 1869. When the court relocated to Tokyo, the city was devastated during the Onin War in the 15th century and went into an extended period of decline, but gradually revived under the Tokugawa shogunate and flourished as a major city in Japan. The modern municipality of Kyoto was established in 1889. The city was spared from large-scale destruction during World War II and as a result, its pre-war cultural heritage has mostly been preserved. Kyoto is considered the cultural capital of Japan and a major tourist destination. It is home to numerous Buddhist temples, Shinto shrines, palaces and gardens, some of which are listed collectively by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Prominent landmarks include the Kyoto Imperial Palace, Kiyomizu-dera, Kinkaku-ji, Ginkaku-ji and the Katsura Imperial Villa. Kyoto is also a center of higher learning, with Kyoto University being an institution of international renown. In Japanese, Kyoto was previously called Kyo. In the 11th century, the city was renamed Kyoto in 1868 and the seat of the emperor was moved there. Kyoto was for a short time known as Sakyo. Kyoto is also sometimes called the Thousand-Year Capital. The National Diet never officially passed any law designating a capital. Foreign spellings for the city's name have included Kyoto, Miyako and Miko, utilized mainly by Dutch cartographers. Another term commonly used to refer to the city in the pre-modern period was Keishi. Capital. 18th century map with the Japanese capital, Miko. Kyoto is located in a valley, part of the Yamashiro. Today, the main business district is located to the south of the old imperial palace, with the less populated northern area retaining a far greener feel. Surrounding areas do not follow the same grid pattern as the center of the city. Though streets throughout Kyoto share the distinction of having names, Kyoto sits atop a large natural water table that provides the city with ample freshwater wells. Due to large-scale urbanization, the amount of rain draining into the table is dwindling and wells across the area are drying at an increasing rate. Kyoto has a humid subtropical climate, featuring a marked seasonal variation in temperature and precipitation. Summers are hot and humid, but winters are relatively cold with occasional snowfall. Kyoto's rain season begins around the middle of June and lasts until the end of July, yielding to a hot and sunny latter half of the summer. Kyoto, along with most of the Pacific coast and central areas of Japan, is prone to typhoons during September and October. Kyoto has 11 wards. Together, they make up the city of Kyoto. Like other cities in Japan, Kyoto has a single mayor and a city council. Per square kilometer Kyoto Station, 2018, Teramachi, 2018, Kawarmachi, 2017, Kyoto City Skylines from Kiyomizu-dera, 2015, Kyoto International Manga Museum, 2008. Historically, Kyoto was the largest city in Japan, later surpassed by Osaka and Edo towards the end of the 16th century. In the pre-war years, Kyoto traded places with Kobe and Nagoya, ranking as the 4th and 5th largest city. In 1947, it went back to being 3rd. By 1960 it had fallen to 5th again. And by 1990 it had fallen to 7th. In 2015 it is now 9th. The concentration of population to the capital city area is 55%, which is highest among the prefectures. The economic difference between the coastal area and inland area including Kyoto Basin is significant, encompassing 10.12 trillion yen. Kyoto has the 4th largest economy in the country in 2010. Ample archaeological evidence suggests human settlement in the area of Kyoto began as early as the Paleolithic period, although not much published material is retained about human activity in the region before the 6th century, around which time the Shimogemo Shrine is believed to have been established. Shimogemo Shrine, Kamo Shrine, Kamagamo Shrine, Kamo Shrine, during the 8th century. When powerful Buddhist clergy became involved in the affairs of the imperial government, Emperor Kanmu chose to relocate the capital in order to distance it from the clerical establishment. In Nara, his last choice for the site was the village of Uda, in the Kadono district of Yamashiro province. The new city, Heian-kyo and Edo, Kyoto remained Japan's capital until the transfer of the imperial court to Tokyo in 1869 at the time of the imperial restoration. Emperor Kanmu died and the cityscape of Heian-kyo, the city suffered extensive destruction in the on